On my screen are people who are making $2,000 commissions in affiliate marketing, and they're making those commissions over and over again using a simple system that does all the selling and telling for them. My name is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on how to make high-ticket sales in affiliate marketing as a beginner. On my screen here is a private Facebook group that these people are a part of, and I just want to show you some of the results people are getting with this simple system, and then I'll show you what that system is. Right here, Paulo here, he made $2,960, $1,000, and $2,000 commissions from this simple system. Tim here made a $550 sale, which means that he gets a $500 commission from this particular sale. Okay, Miles here, he made $2,350 commissions from this company using just this simple system. And Garrett, he made $2,000 from this same company using the same simple system. So let me show you what that system is real quick. So this system is called Profits Passport, and it was created by a man named David Deacle. He's a very successful affiliate marketer. He's a 7-figure earner. He's been on the top of leaderboards in several different companies and systems, and he created this marketing system for anyone to use, and it's completely free to join his system and create a free account. And what it does is that it promotes multiple streams of income. But all of those commissions I just showed you came from one of those income streams, income stream number 1, which is called E1ULife. Now, just to talk a little bit more about this system called Profits Passport, as you can see from this title, discover how to make $2,000 instant commissions with 100% free traffic. I do the work while you keep all the commissions. So all you have to do is drive traffic, which is to get people to see your offer, and then David will take over from there doing all of the selling and telling for you. He will even do the email follow-up to your leads on your behalf in order to help increase sales for you. Okay, and if you scroll down here, you get your own affiliate link to the system, to the Profits Passport system that you promote. And income stream number 1 is E1ULife. So let me show you exactly what E1ULife is and how these commissions work. So E1ULife, this is their sales page, sell as an affiliate, earn like an owner, with commission rates starting at 80%. Okay, so that's just the beginning of their commission rate, 80% and higher. Okay, so what is E1ULife? E1ULife is a team of experienced developers, designers, and project managers ready to help you build and establish your online presence. So they will build out a website for you, for whether you want to brand yourself or your business. They'll create sales pages, custom email templates, custom logo for yourself or for your business to help brand you. And all of these tools, they do this, and it's all professionally done. And they have several different web packages that you could choose from based on your business needs. And I'll show you that in a moment. So they have an excellent affiliate marketing program. And if you're new to affiliate marketing, you don't really know what it is. Affiliate marketing is just a way for you to promote some company's products and services. When you do that, someone will click on your affiliate link, and if they make a purchase, you receive a commission. It's just that simple. And there are tens of thousands of companies on the internet who have affiliate programs. Some of the biggest names out there have affiliate programs. Walmart has an affiliate program. Amazon has an affiliate program. They call their affiliates Amazon Associates. And if you compare their commission rates to E1ULife, here's what you see right here on your screen. These are their highest commission rates. Walmart, you can earn up to 4% commissions on their products. As an Amazon associate, you can earn up to 20% commissions. And a lot of people, they're only making like 3 or 4% realistically with Amazon. As an E1ULife member, you're starting at 80% commissions and up. Okay, so here are the commissions that you can receive from their 6 different web packages. Starting with the lowest one, Elevation Basic, you're going to earn a $25 commission when you sell that. Elevation Elite is a $100 commission. Vertex is a $250 commission. Vertex Elite is $500 commission. Vertex Pro is $1,000 commission, and Vertex Live is $2,000 commissions. And this Vertex Live right here is how people are earning those $2,000 commissions over and over again. Okay, so people are earning like 5 figures in this business every month. Okay, now those results are not typical. You could do better, you could do worse. You may not make any money at all. I can't guarantee that you'll make any money. It all depends on the work and the effort that you put into your business. If you're going to be dedicated to it, if you're going to persist with it and stuff like that. So basically what you do is you create an account, and you can create a free account with E1ULife, and then you choose a web package based on your business needs. Okay, and then you're able to sell the package because you get the resale rights to those packages that you purchased. And then you can receive a commission instantly. They pay through Stripe, okay, Stripe Connect. So you get your commission instantly as soon as the sale is made. So you don't have to wait 30 days or 45 days or 2 weeks to receive your commission. You get it at the time that the sale is made, okay? So the E1ULife developers, they're available to help build your business. They create built-for-you websites, custom landing pages, custom opt-in pages. They can create a custom multi-page funnel for your business, custom email templates that will help you to stand out in your leads' email inbox, so it doesn't get lost among all of the other emails that your leads or potential customers are receiving every day. They can create a custom logo for you. And they can create custom social media images that you can use on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. They also have 24-hour, 7-day-a-week customer support team. So if you need any help, just send a message to any one of their customer service representatives who are ready and happy to help you. So let me give you the pricing on these 6 different web packages, okay? Now, the most popular one, and the one most people come in at, is the $2,500 Vertex Live level, okay? And all of these prices are one-time payments. There are no monthly fees with these packages. So for Vertex Live, you get everything that E1ULife offers. You get the opt-in pages, the social media pack, the email templates, your own logo design, multi-page funnel, and your own built-for-you website. You get all of that for $2,500. Okay, this is the best value for you. Okay, next you have Vertex Pro, and you get everything except for the Built For You website, and this is a one-time purchase price of $1,100. Vertex Elite is $550. You get everything except for the multi-page funnel and the Built For You website. Vertex is $275. You get the custom opt-in pages, the custom social media pack, and the custom email templates. Elevation Elite is $110. You get the opt-in pages and the social media pack. And the lowest package, which is Elevation Basic, is $30. You get the opt-in pages, the custom opt-in pages, okay? Now, the great thing about coming in at Vertex Live for $2,500, not only do you get all of the customization that the company offers, but it also makes you eligible to receive commissions on every single product level. Okay, so you can resell any of these product levels and earn commissions. Now, if you come in at, let's say, Vertex Elite, you're only eligible to receive commissions up to the level that you purchased. So you can receive commissions from Elevation Basic, Elevation Elite, Vertex, and Vertex Elite. If you bring in a customer who purchases either Vertex Live or Vertex Pro, you won't receive that commission because you don't own those products. Okay, so you don't have the reseller rights for them. Now, they did just institute something called E1U Marketing Pro that has a bridge license, a reseller bridge license that you can purchase. It's a monthly fee. It's only like $49 per month. It's included with the E1U Marketing Pro marketing system. And with that bridge license, you will be eligible to earn 50% commissions on the product levels that you do not own. So using the same example I just showed you here with Vertex Elite, if you came in at Vertex Elite and you brought in a customer who bought Vertex Live for $2,500, with that reseller bridge license, you're going to earn a 50% commission, which is $1,000. The other 50% of that commission will go to your sponsor or whoever is eligible at the Vertex Live level. Okay, so the company E1ULife wanted to create a win-win situation for everyone involved, and this was the best way that they could do it, where really doesn't make sense that you're not able to earn on the products that you don't own, even though you put in the work to bring in these customers. So that's why they came up with the idea for the reseller bridge license. Again, it's only $49 per month. You get a lot for that, $49 per month. I can show you real quick what you get. Let me go to the dashboard here. So this is E1U Marketing Pro, and as you can see, it has the reseller bridge license included, and it just, this page right here basically goes over what I just told you about the 50% commissions. Okay, going back to the dashboard, not only do you get that bridge license, but you also get access to their promo response email autoresponder, so you can build your email list. Okay, and they have sales pages, opt-in pages, they have email templates that you can use for following up with your leads. They have promo hosts, so if you get like a custom built website or custom multi-page funnel, you can have those pages, including your custom opt-in pages, hosted with their hosting platform called Promo Host. So you don't have to pay anything extra for the email autoresponder, for the hosting platform. It comes automatically included with E1U Marketing Pro, along with the reseller bridge license, $49 per month. That's it. Okay, so I have more videos on my channel that goes into greater detail about E1U Marketing Pro and the compensation plan. You can check those out by going to my channel. You can subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me talking about E1U, a Profits Passport, and other ways of making money with affiliate marketing. I have a playlist called E1ULife. Check that out if you want a more detailed explanation of everything. Okay? But going back to Profits Passport, all you do with this system is just drive traffic to it. And David does the follow-up. He does all the selling and telling of not only income stream 1, which is E1ULife, but all the other income streams in here. Now, it is not necessary for you to join all of these other income streams. Like, for example, as you can see, I'm only in the first income stream because I just wanted a way to effectively promote E1ULife. So I just use Profits Passport just to promote E1ULife. Okay. Now, that does not mean that these other income streams are bad or anything. These are really good income streams. I know what they are, and I do have an interest in some of these income streams. So I'll probably join them later on. But right now, I'm just focused on E1ULife, and you can do the same. Just come in, join the first income stream, E1ULife, create your free account in E1ULife, and then choose which web package, based on your business needs, based on your budget, that you want to purchase. Okay, like I said before, the best value is Vertex Live for $2,500. Okay, and you get everything, and you are eligible for all of the commissions. Okay, and you can check out these other income streams if you want. If you have the budget, you can get involved with them. Okay, he shows you how to promote your business using free traffic strategies, and that's what I'm doing with Profits Passport and E1ULife. I'm making YouTube videos, I'm posting on Facebook, and those are the two areas that I'm focusing on the most. And you can pick whatever free traffic strategies you want to use. You can use TikTok or Instagram Reels or something like that to promote your business. Okay, but he has an explanation. He goes through all this. There's a how long is this video? About 19 minutes. He shows you exactly how to set up your income streams inside the system. Now, if you click the very first link below this video in the description area, all you have to do is put in your email address, and you're going to attend a webinar that David did, and it's about an hour, hour and a half, and explains everything. It explains exactly how this system works, how Profits Passport works. And he also talks about some exclusive bonuses that he has available for people who are action takers, who act quickly. Okay, so there's a limited time on these bonuses. So if you want to take advantage of those bonuses by coming in at Vertex Live, make sure that you watch the entire webinar. When you click the link below this video and put in your email address, make sure you watch the entire webinar, because he has a lot of good information in there explaining how this system works, explaining about the bonuses, and showing even more income proof of people who are making those $2,000 commissions. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead and click the link below in the description area. I'll also have it as a pinned comment underneath. And again, I want to thank you for watching this video on how to make high ticket sales in affiliate marketing as a beginner. Thanks, and I'll talk to you soon.